One server, multiple PBXs. How to keep it all together with VitalPBX. With the right tools and knowledge, such as VitalPBX, having multiple PBXs running on the same server is achievable. Having multiple PBXs can be a great asset to any business. It allows for greater flexibility in managing communications needs, as well as provides additional opportunities for ease of management and scalability. With VitalPBX, it is possible to keep multiple PBXs running within a single server platform, providing businesses with the means to maximize their communication investments. By using a single server platform that supports multiple companies, locations, or clients, businesses can take advantage of the features and capabilities offered by each tenant without having to invest in separate hardware or software solutions. This eliminates costly infrastructure investments while saving time on system administration and maintenance tasks. Additionally, its intuitive web interface makes it easy to manage users, extensions, voicemail accounts, conference rooms, and more. By taking advantage of VitalPBX's features, organizations can easily and securely deploy multiple tenants to a single server, while also benefiting from improved performance. Download VitalPBX today.